Before I go into the details of this video, I would just like to big up all the hardworking people and all the persons who actually take the time out to listen to a person, you know. I have to say I respect that and appreciate that very much. So earlier this month, I posted a video that one of my schools would have been cooking Jamaican food, jerk chicken, and festival, the whole works, you know. So yeah, they actually did it today, and I'm telling you, the school nutritionist, she mad up a thing, she do her thing, and she was so nervous about it, you know, and I'm not telling a lie. Everybody, the staff, they were elated. I was elated, and the school nutritionist, she cried. She literally cried. She cried today. You know, like when I went to my last class after lunch and came back to the staff room, my friend Miss Hiroko, she was saying that, Shannon, you made her cry. Did you know that you made her cry? And I'm like, me? You know, but I did see her cry earlier before when I had her take me around to the school lunchroom to tell the staff that actually cook the food. Thank you, you know, because they didn't have to accept my request to cook Jamaican food for the staff and the students to experience it. So I really appreciate the fact that Miss Komoto, her name is Miss Komoto, so let me use her name to show even more respect to the lady. Alright, so she did it, and I asked her when we were going around to the cooking room, how many times did you try? Because she was having a conversation with me and telling me that she tried so many times, and she was really nervous to hear a positive feedback from me about what I taught. And she said she tried 5 times to get it right. She said every time she either told the staff to do it again, and I'm like, wow, you know. So I'm really, really grateful for their effort, and the food was superb. The festival, like even the color of the festival itself was accurate, and the taste, everything, it was good. Even the jerk chicken, one of the staff asked her, what kind of seasoning did you use? And she was like, iro. So she was saying variety in Japanese. So I was like sitting at my desk enjoying the food. I'm like, yeah, I see if I must describe it, yes. So I'm happy. So really good job.